In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to tasks in Asana. This is a handy feature to streamline communication and keep all your project-related discussions organized. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enhance your project's workflow by effectively adding and managing comments. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the project where the task you want to comment on resides. Projects in Asana serve as containers that can hold numerous tasks related to a particular project or goal. Once you're in the right project, you'll see a list of tasks that belong to it. Next, find the specific task you want to comment on. With a simple click on the task, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is the Task Details panel, where you can see all relevant information regarding the task at hand, like due dates, assignees, and of course, the comments. At the very bottom of this panel, you'll notice a text field. This is your gateway to adding comments. Simply click inside the text field and begin typing your thoughts, feedback, or updates related to the task. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a continuous conversation about task specifics without needing back-and-forth emails or external messaging. You have several options to make your comment more expressive and easier to digest. If you want to emphasize certain points, you can easily format your text. It's possible to change the font size, make the text bold, italicized, or even create a bulleted list to itemize your comments. Emojis can be added too, which adds a touch of personalization and fun to your feedback, helping to convey emotions or highlight important notes visually. One of the more powerful features of this comment section is the ability to mention other projects or team members. By using the @ symbol, followed by typing a colleague's name or email or the title of another project, you can directly notify them within your comment. This notification system ensures that your message catches the eye of the right person or draws attention to a related project for maximum context and collaboration. Once you've finished writing your comment, simply press the Enter key to post it. Subsequently, a comment icon will appear on the task, along with a number indicating how many comments have been made. This is a clear visual cue that there's a conversation worth checking out on the task. And that's all there is to it. If you ever need to revisit the comments, click on the task again and scroll to the very bottom of the Details panel. Here, you'll find all the comments listed, allowing you to easily keep track of ongoing discussions or revitalize previous ones. With these steps, you can now confidently keep track of all dialogues, feedback, and updates related to your tasks in Asana, enhancing both individual and team productivity.